Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this. The Sony A7IV. Now this is not a new camera by any stretch of the imagination, but it's new for me. And so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. We have warranty card, register your product for a chance to win a $1,000 prepaid Visa card. We have a notice of replacement program for some SD cards of SFN series. Interesting. I actually have some of these, I think. So I'm going to check them out to see if they're the ones that might be replaced. We have a reference guide, lenses and accessories, we have something in French, interchangeable lens digital camera startup guide. Open this up. In here we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have our neck strap. We have a charging brick. We have the lovely Sony NP-FZ100 battery. And here we have it. The A7IV. Long gone are the little covers that flap around. Ooh, and we have a full-size HDMI. It's lovely. Our battery compartment. And we have our SD slots. So this one is a Compact Flash Express A, as well as an SD, and this is an SD. Took me a while to figure that out. Down, over, up. So I'm excited to use this, play around with it. First thing we're going to do though is throw a small rig cage on it and a screen protector. So I will do that and I'll post another video shortly. That's it for our unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys.